Johnny, you got the questions or what?
Yes, sir. With the old whiskey bent cow hat.
I don't even know what that is.
I only got this hat because it has a cow on it.
Hell yeah. What's going on, guys? Dustin with Custom Offsets, Custom Offset TV on the YouTube. Today I'm back with Rainey.
Let's go. I'm in.
Every time. It's like, yay, let's go. Like confetti. Pop, pop.
There's nothing in front of us. It's like we're just imagining words are here, so it's hard until John actually asks us questions.
That's true. You're right. You're right. But anyway, we're back with another episode of This or That. So we got Johnny behind the camera. He's going to ask us some questions, and we're going to answer them. Before we do that, if you need wheels, tires, suspension, bumpers, lighting, or performance parts, we have those. CustomOffsets.com. You want to do the hand thing? The guys love when you do the hand thing.
Is that long enough? I don't know how long.
I
think it's CustomOffsets.com
/
store.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
Store.
Dude, John's going to fucking kill us. And then you got to smash it together.
You can make it spin and do it like whose presentation was that? Where like, oh, Nick's. Where
Oh,
it was
yeah.
Flipping and spinning and stuff. Throw that in there on this one.
Oh my God. All right, let's get into the questions.
Ford F-150 Raptor or Ram 1500 TRX?
That's hard.
Oh, are we talking like present day right now, or are we
Yeah.
including the Raptor R?
Let's be present day now, because the R is still not 100% confirmed.
Yeah. Oh boy.
I'm torn. I am a Ram person, but I also like the F-150. I think my only real gripe with the F-150 is it's a V6.
That's the EcoBoost.
And that's coming from someone who drives a Ford Flex EcoBoost all-wheel drive, so I don't want to hear it from anyone in the comments that I hate the Ford EcoBoost. I drive one every day. And the power.
Yeah.
The power on the TRX is insane. Not to say the power on the Raptor isn't. The TRX does like that much, a little bit more, and I think that's big.
Yeah, I agree. And I'm a big Raptor fan. For anyone that's watched the channel for any period of time knows that for a long time I was convinced I was gonna buy a Raptor, and then I realized that you can tow like 5,000 pounds, and even then they're like squatted like the Carolina boys. But man, I'm so torn on this one as well, because the TRX is banging.
It's banging.
700 HPs, supercharger, basically this, but half-ton form. The Power Wagon's over here, right? So like, I'd have to go TRX, I think.
I don't know which one I'd actually truly like. You know, if we're sitting at the dealership and you're like, hey, dude, I'm buying you a free truck. I would have a hard time just being like, that's what I want.
Yeah.
I like the F-150, in my opinion, actually does look better.
Mm-hmm.
The Ram makes more power. I haven't really played
V8,
with one in person.
V6, you know, yeah.
I've driven a couple Raptors. I haven't driven a TRX. I mean, like, if you want to bring one over, we could drive one.
Yeah, we'd like that. Or if you have a Raptor and a TRX, we'd love to put them side by side in some videos, just saying, for science.
Parts again?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Actually send it off the tabletop. Yoink.
I'm torn. I don't think I can choose.
You're not going to pick one at all?
No,
All
I
right,
don't think I
that's
could.
fair. Now, listen, this conversation changes if the Raptor R is a real thing.
Oh, yeah.
That completely
Probably.
changes the whole thing, because then it's Raptor all day, every day for me.
Lifted Duramax swapped K20 or slammed square body dually with a 454?
Oh, these are so good today.
This is wow.
Listen, D-Max Rhino's got that, him and, I forget what his name is, but they're working on that Duramax swap K20, and that thing's nasty.
I know, but it's a Duramax.
Yeah, okay, listen.
I mean, like, what kind of Duramax? Are we getting that?
LBZ.
Oh.
I mean, ugh.
I'd rather have
L5P?
I'll have a 4BT.
What? The old paint shaker?
No.
Not even 12 valve?
I'd rather have a 4BT over a Duramax.
Really?
Yeah, probably.
Make all 120 horsepower?
I will say the L5Ps sound good for a V8, but ain't nothing gonna change that when it comes to a Cummins.
All right, okay.
On the back end though, like the 454 is not that powerful of a motor.
No, not at all.
I mean, like it is in like you throw it in granny low and crawl
torque for
cold
days.
stuff. Yeah, but like it's not good for much anymore in comparison to anything. So I like both.
How dope would it be though to have a slammed square body dually with like the titanium strips on it, right? And just mob down the highway, 454 big block screaming away at like 35 or 4,000 RPMs because it's 411 gears, you know, and just drag it and throw sparks. Be dope.
Yeah, you know, I probably what I'd do honestly. Like a crew long dually would be fucking dope.
Yeah, I want the dually. Give me that slam dually.
Even though I like lifted, like diesel swapped anything, I'd take it. But I mean, like that just sounds more fun.
Yeah, it'd be rowdy. Maybe it's because we don't have a lot of that up here.
Probably.
You know. No. Moving on.
Ford Ranger or Dodge Dakota?
Listen, the answer is my fucking Ford Ranger. Okay? Yeah.
I'm gonna throw the monkey wrench in there and say Chevy Colorado LS.
Ah, you can't do that. It's this or that, not this, that, and the other thing.
No, we're doing the other thing because I had one.
They're rowdy.
The Dodge Dakota, because they come with was it the 5.9 in the RTs, whatever the fucking V8 one
The
was.
360s, wasn't it?
I don't know.
Either way, it was a V8 of some
That
sort, and it
thing
was
is
nasty.
rowdy. There's that dude that goes with the Dells for automotion, and he always has the bed full of tires strapped down.
Oh, yeah.
He just does burnouts everywhere.
Yeah.
So that's, out of those two, I'd choose that, but I'll always be a Chevy LS powered Colorado.
Listen, my Ford Ranger. That's it.
Dodge Dakotas are ugly. Yeah. I don't know.
All right, so that happened. We're moving on.
First gen Cummins or OBS Power Stroke?
Oh, OBS Power Stroke all day.
Really?
I can't wait to get roasted in the comments because I like Cummins. But
Really?
the first gens are ugly.
I knew a lot of guys, growing up that had OBS Power Strokes. Fantastic trucks, right? Ran literally forever. But I will always have a soft spot for like a W250 12 valve, dude.
I have seen cool ones. I've seen cool ones like that I like on Instagram. And I will say this, first gen Cummins are not as common as OBS Power Strokes. So they do hold that, but I just can't get behind them.
That's fair.
It takes a lot of it's an intricate build to do a first gen cleanly.
To do it
uniquely
well,
right.
yeah.
Yeah. Where an OBS is just like, let's just throw 37 on the factory wheels and lift it 4 inches and we'll just send it.
And it'll look great.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, first gen Cummins does take a lot more finesse to make it look good.
Yeah. But when they're done right, they're done right. I'm just too lazy.
Give me that like 4-inch hood stack with the angle cut, dude. Like that one that was at.
You can do that to your GTI.
Just flip the turbo manifold upside down and send her out the hood.
You're like Bug BMX.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Bug's pretty wild.
Vote down below if you should hood stack his GTI.
Oh God, here we go.
I have the whole saw for it.
I'm sure you do.
Banker Silverado or CO2?
I'd rather walk.
Really?
I like Banker Silverado minus the Kyle Monster Energy green suspension. Other than that, that front bumper actually like flows
It looks
really well
really
with the whole
good.
truck.
Especially with the paint match,
I was
yeah.
gonna say the color match really works. It's a little tall for what I'd want.
It is big. Yeah, I'll
I
give you
do
that.
Yeah, I do like the. I guess I don't know. Is it the same? I don't know. I do like a 4-inch 35. Fuck it.
I love this thing. I've driven this thing around
I
a
knew you do.
fair bit, and I love that truck. I don't know. It rides good. The coilers ride decent. The supercharger does not make it fast, but it
Does
makes
it ride
it.
decent?
It rides better than the Super Duty does.
Yeah, that's solid actually.
I know that, but that's what I'm saying. It rides okay, you know.
It's been like 3 years since I've rode that thing.
Yeah,
so I
it
don't
rides
know.
pretty good. I mean, for what it is, you have to understand you're on 26 14s and 37s, right? It's not gonna ride like Grandma's Cadillac.
But I want my truck to ride like a Cadillac. But you want a work truck.
Yeah, for real, exactly. But I like, Jesus, John. I like this thing though. I think it's done really well. It rides good. Good truck.
There's paint missing on the door.
Yeah, I know. Don't say
That was
that.
probably from you.
No, don't say that. Oh my God, give me anxiety.
It'll be the first time you've been driving in a vehicle from work and there's a rock chip in it now.
I want you to know actually that
Ironically, it's the other one in this or that.
I am a fender killer, believe it or not, because right before I started here, I put a big gouge in Lars's front fender on the M2, and then right after I started here, there was a rock chip that went in the side of Banker's door, also when I was in possession of the vehicle.
That's why no one drives my truck.
Yeah.
Limited or Denali?
Well, I'm gonna go with Ford because out of the two, they have solid axle fronts, and that's a big W taker. And they're nice. Can't wait to fart in Glenn's Limited that he just got.
They are really, really nice.
Dude, he said the thing's like sitting on a love seat, so like I'm into it. It's
Yeah.
a big. He said it's comfier than his King Ranch, so I'll take that.
Really interesting.
I thought it was just leather color change, but apparently that was way wrong.
I guess not. I don't know. This one's a tough one for me. The Denali's are nice. I like the High Country's probably better than the Denali's, though, to be honest with
So I will say this though, like High Countries is like the Laramie Longhorn.
you. Yeah.
Or like the King Ranch. It's got like that brown. I feel like you're at Yellowstone Dutton Ranch.
I agree.
But I'll do the limited. That's how I choose.
Yeah, that's probably where I'm at too.
Woo!
Would you rather get $100,000 today or wait 10 years and get $1 million?
I'd take the 100,000 now.
Agreed.
Yeah, you know, it's like the whole lottery thing, right? You win the lottery, like, yeah, if you take your lump sum, you lose more. But like, if you get paid out over X amount of time, if you die tomorrow, you only get what you got.
Correct.
If your family doesn't get paid out, I might die in a week. So if I get 100K now, I just take 100K. Good.
Well, I think you can. There are lots of investment opportunities that you could take 100K and turn it into $1 million in 10 years anyway. So it's like, at best, you're getting 100K now. At worst, you're getting 100K now, you know?
Yeah, just don't be a jelly bean with your money and invest it properly.
Correct. Yeah, even relatively low return, you could make $1 million. A 10-to-1 return in 10 years,
I would
easy.
hope so. I mean, if you just took it and yoinked it right into some investment stuff, I mean, you could probably do that in 2.
Yeah, exactly.
See, I'd take 100K right now.
That's another episode of This or That. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Rainey, for joining, as always.
Problem.
If you guys have this or that questions, drop them down in the comments below. And as always, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel, because there's like 62% of people who watch our videos aren't subscribed, which is pretty freaking lame.
If you see this part, we might throw a jelly bean packet in with your order. Just let us know.
What?
The fun thing is they're going to watch this and be oh, I might get free jelly beans if I say
You
at
might.
the end.
Yeah, who knows?
They won't actually get the jelly beans.
But maybe you will.
But maybe you will.
There's a chance.
It's 50-50. Actually, it's like, how many orders do we do a day? 1,000?
Yeah, probably.
1,000 to 1. Unless you order twice.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Goodbye.